In this tutorial, I'll show you how to view open interest directly on your chart in TradingView so you can better understand market participation and trends. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open TradingView and load the chart of the asset you want to analyze. Now, here's a key step many people miss. Make sure you are using a perpetual futures contract, not a regular spot chart. For example, instead of a normal BTC USD chart, search for something like BTC Perp from exchanges like Binance or Bybit. Once your perpetual chart is loaded, go to the Indicators button at the top of your screen. Click on it and type Open Interest into the search bar. This time, you'll actually see the indicator available. Go ahead and click on it. Now the open interest data will appear in a separate panel below your chart. This line shows how many open positions exist in the market. If open interest is rising, it usually means more traders are entering positions. If it's falling, it often means positions are being closed. This can help you understand whether a trend is gaining strength or losing momentum. If you ever don't see the open interest indicator, just double check your symbol. It must be a perpetual contract, otherwise the data won't show at all. That's it. You can now track open interest directly inside TradingView and use it to make more informed trading decisions. Subscribe for more TradingView tips and tutorials.